Hey, hello everyone. Today I'm going to do a review about this new model from TimeMicro in a 1/64 scale, the Toyota Supra from Fast and Furious. TimeMicro actually released two models of the Fast and Furious. Both come with a figure, but you can also order it without the figure, and I will leave a link in the description. I only bought this one because, yeah, you can't have it all. This is not the one from the movie. This is the latest Toyota Supra, but it comes in a Fast and Furious livery. Now let's have a look at the box. Here you can see it's a 1/64 scale. This is the brand name and logo, TimeMicro. Here again, brand and logo. Barcode and article number, some text, freeze the frame if you want to read it. To be honest, I don't think it's a licensed product, but yeah, we see that many times with Chinese diecast brands. Okay, now let's unbox and review. Really nice box, by the way, and also nice that it comes in a display case. Very well packed. Comes with a nice background. And first we're going to take a look at the car, and it looks very nice. Wow. Put the camera a little bit here. And let's do it like this. Got lanced real lights. We got the Toyota logo in the middle. Here got some black paint. I don't think that's right, but I can live with that. See, on the other side it is not. Very nice exhaust pipe in the back. Those rims are beautiful. We got a brake disc and a brake claw. Got lanced headlights and a spoiler right here and there. The number 12 in the middle. Man, this thing looks great. We also have a side window. I like that. Makes it way more realistic. And here we have the top. We got the heating in the back of the window. We got windscreen wipers lying on top of the window. And let's see, there we go. We have a red interior. That looks totally awesome. Okay, now let's take it off the display. Okay, so here I've got some tool, right tool, two screws. Okay, this is a little bit sticky apparently, or it was very hot on the way to the Netherlands. Excuse me. Tire should be a little bit over there. Oh, that goes, well, It goes very easy. Wheels are rolling, but not that good. We do have a metal base. Let's start with that first. And 2 screws. Perfect for customizing if you want to do that. There's nothing that says Toyota Supra. Can I do something with this tire? Oh, and you see when I'm rolling the wheel, this is very realistic. I like that. This is very difficult to turn, but same here. Very well done, TimeMicro. We also got some silver paint on the side mirrors. Yeah, really cool looking model. I like it a lot. Now let's have a look at the figure right here. There it is, Paul Walker. May he rest in peace. Oh, that looks actually pretty good for a 1/64 figure. For me, it's important that it stands by itself, but there is also a piece of gum. But it looks like, yeah, perfect. No problem at all. Okay, do I have a car to compare? Well, a couple of days ago, and you can see it on my channel, I just posted a video yesterday about this find. I found this Toyota GR Supra at the Kruidvat. It's a Hot Wheels mainline for €1.49. Very good price. Very good European price. Yeah, but difficult to compare with a model like this. I paid around €30 for one car. That is a lot of money for a 1/64 scale. Let's be honest. It's a good looking car. It is very nice and I'm glad I'm having it, but €30? Pew! What do we get? We get a metal base, we get rubber tires, and if you turn the wheel, brake disc and claw will stay on its place. That is very realistic. We got windows all the way around. We got a nice interior, nice looking steering wheel. We got, yeah, I think it's a sticker, some silver sticker on the side mirror. Great looking back, fantastic details, the exhaust pipes, the rear lights, the logo. Okay, a little bit of a minus here on the spoiler. Windscreen wipers also good. It's not molded into the glass, but they're loose on top of it. I like that. Hood also very nice looking. We got lens headlights and look at those lights. Sick. 12 in the middle, logo here, and these spoilers right here. Very nice rims. So overall, yeah, perfect, cool Toyota Supra. And it comes with a figure. If you order it without the figure, you pay less. Not sure what the price is, but like I say in the beginning of the video, I will leave a link in the description of where I bought it. Now, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to share this video with your diecast friends. I'm going to put this car on the turntable so you can watch it for yourself. Have a very nice day, happy hunting, and I'll see you soon.